Here's how to permanently delete your Facebook page. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android. You can also just do the exact same steps on a computer, and I'll walk you through them. The first thing we need to do is switch to managing as the page, not as your personal account. To be able to do that, tap on What's on Your Mind, the little profile photo right next to that. Once you get to your profile, let's switch to your page by tapping the drop-down arrow to the right of it, and then tapping on your page. In my case, Trevor's Treats. You can see it switches to managing as the page. If you don't see this as an option, you might see 3 lines at the top left or a profile button at the top right to be able to switch to managing as that page. Next, tap on the profile button or the menu button at the bottom right, or the 3 lines at the bottom right, or again, they might be at the top left or top right for you. After we've done that, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings at the top. You can see it says that you're managing as the page. Scroll down towards the bottom until you get to Access and Control, and tap on that. And from here you can see I can choose to delete this page, which is permanent. Tap the Continue button, and it says before you delete it, they may help. Just hit Continue, and then go through the process of downloading the information if you want. If you don't, just tap Continue, enter in the password for your account, and then you'll be able to permanently delete that page. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.